All right, so this is January 2021, question number 7. So you can see that this question typically is going to be question number 7 in your exam. It says the diagram below shows a sequence of figures made up of circles with dots. Each figure has 1 dot at the center and 4 dots on the circumference of each circle. The radius of the first circle is 1 unit. The radius of each circle is 1 unit greater than the radius of the previous circle. Except for the first figure, a portion of each of the figure is shaded. A is asking us to complete the rows in the table below for figures 5 and n. All right. This is like a constant difference of 4. This is 4n, 4r plus 1. This is 4r plus 1. All right. Add 3, then 6. All right. All right. Area of the largest circle. Okay. Okay. This is r square pi, or pi r square. R square pi. That's the pattern of it. This is what? A constant difference of what? 2. So this is 2r minus 1 pi. All right, this one is the one that's a little bit more difficult. This is actually r multiply by r plus 1 pi. So you can just check it out. 1 times 2 pi, 2 times 3 pi, 4 times 5 pi, sorry, 4 times 5 pi. So you can check it out to see that, yes, those are the general terms for each of them. All right, the dots are going up by 4. So for the 5th, you just simply add 4. This becomes what? 21. Did you get that? This is what? Going up by what? By 2. So this is just what? 9 pi. Do you agree? This is what? 5 times 6. This is 30 pi. So that's the one. That's what we have so far. You should be able to pick it up. So did you get the 3 marks? All right. N. Now remember, for the n term, I simply say replace r with what? N. This is 4n plus 1. This is n square pi. This is 2n minus 1 pi. This is n multiplied by n plus 1 pi. And that's for 4 marks. Did anybody get all 4? All right, so somebody was offering an alternative general term for the total length of the circumference. The person says r plus r square pi, and we checked it out and it looks as if it works. So this is an alternative approach, but oh God, you know what I should have seen? It's actually the same thing, you know, see it? What's the common factor? R plus R squared, what is the common factor? R, when you factor out the R, you're going to get R multiplied by R plus 1, don't it? It's the same thing. But still, very good that you actually spot it, because I didn't spot it initially. Very good, it's the same thing. All right, then now we're asked for B. It says determine the value n when the number of dots in the figure, figure n is, the number of dots is what? Is 541. The number of dots, which is 4n plus 1, 4n plus 1 is equal to 541. It means that 4n is equal to 541 minus 1, which would be 540. And if I divide both sides by 4, I'm going to get n is equal to 1 and remainder 1. This is 4 into 14 is 3 and remainder 2, 5. So the number of dots n when the number of dots in the figure is 541, n is equal to 135. So this is B. C is asking us to write down in terms of P and pi the area of the largest circle in figure 3P. So if it's figure 3P, this is 3P, that's the figure number. They want the area of the largest circle. The area of the largest circle would be 3P square pi. So the area of the largest circle the area would be 3p square. This is 9p square pi. It's 9p square pi. Is there any, and that's the end of the question.